Eric Nguyen 说，能造 DNA 的 AI 也是最强的生物警报器。
The best models that can generate new sequences, generate DNA, are also the best ones to discriminate, meaning they can predict, is something in that sequence dangerous? It's understanding the same patterns underneath the hood. Yeah, so, and you can see why it's captivating. It's one's imagination can go very far with the idea of giving agents or AI the ability to create life. I think broadly, the idea of being able to make more dangerous biology, the potential of biological weapons, is very real. That is a thing that existed before AI, right? And so this really hits at that intersection of having more capable tools, models to manipulate biology, to make new sequences that could potentially program any function you want. You know, that's the promise. And if it gets in the hands of folks that don't want to use it for human health and ultimately good, then this just makes it that much easier. And so for us, this is a very key question of, yes, you want to be cognizant and mention these types of concerns, but what do you do about it, right? And I think for us, we saw a big gap in this space. Like Frontier Labs think also it's an emerging risk, but they attack it from a natural language standpoint. Like, how do you stop someone's prompts of series of questions of like that prevent them from making dangerous things? But the models themselves don't understand the actual ability, don't have the ability to reason across the raw scientific data itself. They don't understand DNA or proteins. They have to call other tools. And so that has fundamental limitations that we as a company, we believe it's one and the same coin. As if you're going to, and by that I mean, if you're going to build technology that can enable, hopefully, curing disease, making drugs faster, that same technology is going to allow you to also defend against making dangerous biology. The best models that can generate new sequences, generate DNA, are also the best ones to discriminate, meaning they can predict, is something in that sequence dangerous? It's understanding the same patterns underneath the hood. And so that's why we think having a single entity like ours be able to push both on the design capabilities of bio-AI and the defense side is so important. That's one thing we want to promote, that this can be done and it should be done within a company.
关注人为 AI， 每天一个 AI 心智模型。